Hey guys, welcome back to Cricalytics. Now, at the start of the month, we got some really bad news, and that is of IPL 2021 being suspended currently due to the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic in India. But after a week's time, BCCI announced some really happy news for all the cricketing fans in India. Yes, you guessed it right. BCCI recently announced the official squad for Team India for the World Test Championship final to be played against New Zealand in the next month. After playing the World Test Championship final, the same squad will be playing the 5-match Test series against England in England. So, in this video we'll be doing the complete squad analysis for Team India across 3 different categories, which includes batting, bowling and all-rounder. We'll be also looking at the complete schedule for the World Test Championship final as well as the 5-match Test series. We'll be also looking at the starting 11 for Team India for the World Test Championship final versus New Zealand. So, let's get to it. Talking about the squad, BCCI announced a 20-member squad to have appropriate substitutions considering the COVID-19 pandemic issues. The squad includes 10 batsmen including 2 wicket-keepers, it includes 4 spin bowling all-rounders and 6 pacers. Analyzing the complete squad, Team India have selected 4 openers in place. This includes Rohit Sharma, Shubman Gill, Mayank Agarwal and KL Rahul. Of the 4, Rohit Sharma is definitely going to be the first choice opener for the World Test Championship final. Alongside him, it will be either of Shubman Gill, Mayank Agarwal or KL Rahul. Shubman Gill, who was supposed to be the first choice opener alongside Rohit Sharma, is having some form issues at the moment. In the recently concluded Test series against England, he could only manage 119 runs from 7 innings at an average of just 19.8. In fact, the subsequent IPL 2021 also saw Shubman Gill suffering from form. Hence, it will be interesting to see who among Shubman Gill, Mayank Agarwal or KL Rahul partners Rohit Sharma at the top for the World Test Championship final. Talking about the middle order, Team India have the core of Cheteshwar Pujara, Virat Kohli and Ajinkya Rahane. Team India also have Hanuma Vihari, who had missed the recently concluded England series due to some injury concerns. Coming to the wicket keepers, Team India would be playing Rishabh Pant as a first choice keeper with the backup in the form of Wriddhiman Saha. However, it is important to note that both KL Rahul and Wriddhiman Saha are not yet included officially in the squad. Their selection would be dependent upon their fitness clearance before Team India departs for England. In the all-rounder department, Team India have selected 4 players. The list includes Ravindra Jadeja, Ravichandran Ashwin, Akshar Patel and Washington Sundar. While Ravindra Jadeja, Ravichandran Ashwin and Akshar Patel were definitely going to get selected, there is one name who is definitely missing from the squad, and that is Hardik Pandya. It is understood that Hardik Pandya is still not fit enough to bowl. Hence, Washington Sundar, who adds more value as compared to Hardik Pandya, is preferred as the 4th all-rounder of the squad. In the pacers category, Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Shami and Ishant Sharma would be the 3 leading pacers of the squad. Mohammad Shami, who had missed out the England series due to injury concerns, is now fit enough after a good IPL 2021 campaign. Talking about the backups, Team India have Mohammad Siraj, Umesh Yadav and Shardul Thakur in the squad. While Siraj and Shardul Thakur were impressive in the Australia series, Umesh Yadav is a long-timer and is also making a comeback after facing an injury concern ahead of the England series. So that completes the complete squad analysis for Team India. Overall, there aren't any major surprises. However, if Hardik Pandya was fit enough to bowl, he would have been a perfect asset in the squad in place of Washington Sundar. Let us now look at the first choice playing 11 for Team India for the World Test Championship final versus New Zealand. Starting with openers, Rohit Sharma is definitely going to be the first choice opener for Team India. Alongside him will most probably be Shubman Gill. Virat Kohli showed faith in Shubman Gill and gave him chance in all the 4 matches against England. Now, even though his performance was not up to the mark, we should see Virat Kohli giving him one more chance. The middle order should see regular players with Cheteshwar Pujara at number 3, Virat Kohli at number 4 and Ajinkya Rahane at number 5. These 3 should be followed by Rishabh Pant as the main wicket-keeper of the squad. It is important to note that World Test Championship final is going to be played at Southampton. Now, given that Southampton pitches assist spinners, Team India should most likely play both Ravindra Jadeja as well as Ravichandran Ashwin in the squad. Ravindra Jadeja has improved his batting considerably in the last few years. He will be an asset at number 7 position, followed by Ravichandran Ashwin, who has also been decent enough in the batting department. Meanwhile, the Pacers category should see the trio of Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Shami and Ishant Sharma as the first choice Pacers. So that completes the starting playing 11 for Team India for the World Test Championship final versus New Zealand. Finally, let us look at the schedule of the World Test Championship final as well as the England vs India Test series. The World Test Championship final versus New Zealand will be played at Southampton from June 18 to June 22, 2021. This will be followed by the 5-match Test series, starting with first Test to be played at Nottingham from August 4 to August 8, 2021. The second Test should be played at London from August 12 to August 16, 2021. The third Test should be played at Leeds from August 25th to August 29th. The fourth Test would be played at London from September 2 to September 6, and the final Test should be played at Manchester from September 10 to September 14. So that completes the video coverage of Team India squad for the World Test Championship final as well as the England vs India Test series. What do you think should be the starting 11 for Team India for the World Test Championship final? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Finally, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Cheers!